Hello, hello, and welcome to our Hump Day Lunch Break Live. Just realized I have a little bit of a glare on my work surface here, so I just want to try and adjust one of my lights here to make it a little better. Let me just see. A very nasty shadow there. Let's see if I turn this light off, if it will help. Hoping it will. We'll just see real quick if it will or not, and then we'll be going. So tell me what you're doing for lunch today. I haven't gotten mine ready yet, so need some ideas. Although I did make homemade chicken noodle soup, which, you know, we're eating all the time. So it'll probably be chicken noodle soup today. There we go. There's a comment. So say hello. And I can't get things to work. All right, why isn't it working? Hold please, there we go. Sorry, I was having technical difficulties over there. All right, so today we're going to be playing with our Utterly Amazing new online exclusive, which just became available yesterday. Super excited. I haven't even dove into this yet. So it's going to be a first for both of us, really. Well, for all of us, I should say, because we're going to dive into some of the new products. I'm just going over to my desk here, and I'm grabbing a couple of the other things that are in this suite. So again, this is an online exclusive. So you go to my my online store, and you can see all the products related to it. So we've got some what are they called? Riverside pearls. So we'll check those out. And we do have some Lost Lagoon soft cording. So we can use that. I'm just going to actually reach over here and grab a kit that I used for our Stampa stack the other day, because I have everything all cut for it. So we can use one of these. So we'll just start off with this. So I have a piece of Lost Lagoon cardstock here. I have a lot of it. Let me just move that double pack away. I'm just trying to see where I put the new designer series paper that coordinates with this. Well, we may not be using that. We'll have to see. Kind of not in my right feng shui today. I don't know. I can't figure it out. I must have like put it away, which is a good thing, because then I put things away. But then a bad thing, because then I don't realize I threw it away. Who else has that problem? Oh my gosh, because I feel like I'm going backwards today. I know that happens quite a bit. All right, let's see here. I know I have it here, because it's really cute paper, and I know I wanted to use it. Let's see. Well, I guess I'm not going to find it. I'll have to hunt it down later. Again, quick lunch break, so we'll just go with the stamps. So I've got a piece of Lost Lagoon, 8.5 by 5.5, and just fold it in half. Ta-da! And let's see, I've got a strip of Pool Party. And I've got a piece of Basic White. I got another piece of Basic White, which will go on the inside of the card. So let's see what else we can do. Okay, I've got a banner here. And I've got some other little banners. Let's see what we're going to do. Let's just take this out. And again, I haven't even touched these yet, so we're going to have fun together. I think we're going to take this little otter couple. That's going to be cute. So grab that off. And, you know, I'm really zoomed in here. I'm hoping I don't move everything off as I'm stamping. So I'm going to grab my black Memento ink. You know, one of my more favorite things when I was in high school, as in my art class, we had to select an animal. And I'm going to, oh shoot. I'm going to just raise my camera up here. It doesn't look like it's where it needs to be. So sorry I moved that and got you maybe dizzy. Not trying to. Let's see. Okay, that's a little better. It just, I was so far down, I was like on top of my stuff. So anyways, in high school, we had to select an animal, and we were going to use that animal for a couple weeks for all of our art projects. So I happen to choose otters. So we had to do a drawing, a watercolor painting, and then a actual 3D animal. So yeah, mine turned out really cute. So I really do like otters. They're fun. They're cute little critters. They're not so friendly, so don't, you know, think of them as a pet. They're wild animals, but they are really friendly. I mean, cute. Let's see. We're gonna grab some old olive here to color our plants. So just go with that. I'm just going to quickly do these. Now there are dies that coordinate with this. Again, I haven't even, this is the first time I'm using it. So I will be most likely offering this as our December craft along. I just need a little time to play with it. I'm just going to quickly dot in here. All right. Now they're kind of floating around, so we need to have a little bit of water down there. So let's just go ahead and take, we'll use our blends here, our pool party blends. And I am just going to put, I'm going to do a rock, and then I'll do some other things. So I'll do rock and water. So we're going to do a little bit of rock. I don't like my, those are smoky slate. I want gray granite. Let's see, is this gray granite? Nope, that's crumb cake. Where's my gray granite, for heaven's sake? Gray granite, okay. I'm going to just take my gray granite kind of under here. And we're going to color under here so it looks like they're sitting on something versus just floating in the air. All right, I'll come around here. And we're just going to make like a little shadow here. I'm not really trying to draw any shape. I'm just adding some shadowing here. There we go. Okay. Now let's go ahead and color them in. Now otters are usually like a grayish brown, but I'm just going to go with pecan. So I'll start with my light pecan here, and we'll do the head. I'll come back in and add a little bit of the dark just to do some shading, but we'll get this colored in really quick. Probably could use my brush end to do that faster. All right. So a lot of times, you know, when the animal sets come out, I do really gravitate towards animals more than I do like the flowers. And I really like when they're more realistic too. All right, so we're going to leave that part white. So just quickly coloring. I love using blends because they're so smooth and I don't get streaks in them. I will be listing all the products that I'm using today in the description if you're watching on YouTube, and in the comments if you're watching on Facebook. All right. A little bit here. Okay, let's add some shading in. Oh, I want to use my chisel end to do the shading here. So we're just going to add some really... There, so we'll just add a little bit around here. Okay, just a little bit of shading. Right. Okay, so I'm bringing it up so you can see it a little bit closer. All right, so now we can just layer that right on here. I'm going to trim this down. Oh, you know what? Actually, it doesn't look too bad. I think we're just going to go with a super simple card here. We're going to add a little bit more to it. We'll add some of this cording. And we'll pop it up on dimensionals, and we'll be done with our project. So I just need to mark this with an X so I know I use that one. That way when I go in my little bucket over there and grab stuff out, I know which package I've already used. So let's grab our dimensionals here, and we'll just stick this on with dimensionals. I don't see my other, I don't see my seal. Right here. Okay. Toot, 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 toot. That's right on the pool party. Definitely could trim that down a little bit, but we're going to go with this. We'll add our dimensionals after we tie our ribbon. So I'm just going to tie a little bit of this cording over here. If I can tie. I seem to be bow challenged at the moment. Don't know what's going on there. So I'm just going to tie a nice little bow here. We've got more cording than I needed. That's all right. Okay. And I'm mumbling a lot today. I apologize. I'll try to speak more clearly and loudly. I don't know what my mumbling's about today. And my scissors are not up here. All right, well, let's hope this will cut. Yeah. So key on having sharp scissors for your ribbon. And this did not tie tight. All right, let's just go again with this. Now this is kind of, the cording is kind of slippery. Well, not slimy, just kind of slippery. Silky. That's what I'm thinking of, silky. All right, we'll put our dimensionals on here. And you can sing along when you're putting your dimensionals on. It's all about singing in our house. Well, that's because we have grandbabies, and so we do a lot of singing and reading. Okay, now I kind of feel like I want to have something right here. I'm going to just put my little tag right there. I could have actually put a hole in there and tied that. Let's do that. Okay. We're cute together. Oh, that'd be really cute at the bottom. Should have done that. Let's just go ahead and do it. Let's do it because we can. And then I'll be having a lot more cards with this. It's just too adorable not to use. Okay, we'll grab our Lost Lagoon. And because I already heated it down, I'm going to just grab a strip of my, we'll grab a strip of Lost Lagoon here. What do I have? Actually, what is a strip? Okay, we'll grab a strip of Pool Party, because that's what I just happen to have a strip of. And I'll grab my Lost Lagoon ink. Maybe. Where is Lost Lagoon? Okay, I have a brand new pad. I don't want to use a brand new pad. Let's just use Pretty Peacock. That'll work. I'm going to stamp it on my little 1/2-inch strip. We are cute together. And I'm just going to take my two other scissors here. Yes. I'm just going to snip it at an angle. Very simple card, quick and easy, something you can do on your lunch break. On my website, I'll put the measurements and everything that I've used. So if you want to make this card and you have something else, or you want to use this exact set, there we go. We're cute together. Already looking cute. Now let's get some little embellishments on here and we will be on our way. I hope you're having a great day. Hey, we're halfway through the week. It's almost the weekend. You can make it. Join me tomorrow night for Stampin' Fun and More at, I think I changed the time to be 7:34. Let me just quick look for us here. Where is it? Because I did, I do have my grandchildren in the evening, so I just have to wait till they go home so I can do my live. And I have it scheduled for 7:34 tomorrow night. We'll be using the Hang and Ornament. It is a free card class, so you can watch, or if you'd like the card kit, you can definitely get that when you place an order in my online store. But I'll give you all those details tomorrow night. So join me there. It'll be on Facebook, and I do upload it up to YouTube. So it'll be available then. All right, so here we go. Oh, we need to do something with our inside, right? So let's go ahead and I'm going to grab one of the other otters here. Let's see. We'll grab this guy here. So I think this guy looks really cute. So we're going to do him or her, whatever. And we'll grab our black memento ink. And we'll just put him in the corner, just like I kind of like that. All right, and we'll go ahead and color it in. Grab our pecan again, and let's just go ahead and start with our dark here. I'm gonna get a little bit of the shading in here. So just taking my dark to just add a little bit of depth to him. Just do this over here. Okay, and then we'll come back in with our light pecan pie and just color everything else. And you can go pretty fast. Blend everything in together. If you do a little bit of outside the line, take your color lifter and lift away that color. I'm doing this pretty fast, so I didn't color very well. And we're going to get his chin here. Little face. All right. Okay, and we'll just put this on the inside of our card. So you can send it for a birthday, you can send it for an anniversary. I might actually just use this for my anniversary card. Okay, I can't get this lined up. All right, there we go. Okay, so there's today's card. I hope you like it. This is using the new Online Exclusive OTTERLY AMAZING stamp set. There are dies that coordinate with this. So if you are a die kind of person, a die-hard crafter, see what I did there? You can get the dies that coordinate with it. So some do work with the stamp set, but then you have some other shapes that are really fun. So this one right here would actually have cut out that image. All right, I'm going to let you go. Have a great lunch, and we'll see you all tomorrow night at 7:34 for the Facebook Live Hang an Ornament.